Gala 2024 price predictions and beyond. In this video, we're going to cover where Gala is currently, where it could head to, and where it could extend to in this complete market melt up that's happening as we speak. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment, send this to every Gala holder you know, because Gala, looking at it, has potential for a massive return on investment. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. What I'm going to show you is the Stargate custom signals and show you where Gala could potentially go to in this bull run and the levels that it must hold right now and the must hold levels to take out in the short term to then reach those mega moon price targets in 2024. So let's dive into it. Straight out of the gate, we're at 0.03 cents for Gala. It is December 5th. It's 4:10 a.m. and we got the Stargate signals up. We got the vertical green, vertical blue, the vertical sell warnings are red, and then the sell nows are vertical yellow lines. They're not flashing yet because Gala has not gone on a big run yet. But what we do have is the Stargate snakes. The green is your belly of the beast, and that's usually the best time to accumulate a certain coin. But Gala has sold off so much that it has been below the belly of the beast since the bear market really kicked in back in 2022 in May. The hot zone is the best levels to sell in the bull market top. Then we got the Stargate FIB forecaster here. We got the red, yellow, and then the green is hiding on us. Then we got the Stargate FIB forecaster here. We got the FIB levels lined up, a potential kind of areas we can go to. So where Gala needs to hold, and if it were to come back down, it would need to come and hold 0.025 cents. I like that level there. That was the level we came to before having a capitulation moment back December of last year and then spiking up right through it, having a big bounce. Then we came down to that level in June of this year, went sideways, and then we dipped off from that level. We got hung up at it recently, and now we've had a nice little pop-up. So Gala could just be starting a big-time type of run. Gaming coin, Gala, just like Big Time went up in a big-time way, and Gala now has volume pouring in, and it could be seeing some of that money flowing out of Big Time into Gala. So Gala was a big gainer the last bull run, and I'm expecting it to be a big gainer this run as well too. Gala is definitely a blue chip gaming token, and gaming is a category that's going to ultimately outperform this bull run. You'd be surprised. So we need to hold 0.025 cents if we were to come back down. The next level that likely we're going to head up to if we can continue on up here, especially if we can hold this kind of little short-term trend line like that. So yep, same kind of level of confluence, 0.025. The next level we're likely going to go to is 0.033 to likely, I would just say 0.044, because we have a lot of things lining up at that level. We have the medium Stargate FIB forecaster 786 level from this high down to the low. The 786 key level to get above is here, and that happens to coincide with past key price action, because back in July 2022 we found like our spot of support there. We broke through rejection, we try to get above it, fake out, rejection, and we haven't been above it since. So key level to get above 0.044 cents for Gala, and we have the 3-day 200 moving average coinciding with that level, and we have the micro fib, so this red fib taking this high down to the low. The 4236 extension is close to that 786 of the macro, and then we have the bottom of the belly of the beast coming down hot to then sit right at that key level as well too. So we need to hold that 0.025 in the short term. That needs to be our concrete floor to remain going to the upside and holding this trend line. If we see nice momentum for Gala and this volume pouring in, taking us up to any level, it would be a complete melt up to the gravitational zone of 0.044. And then if we can melt up through that level, I think we're going to quickly move up to the top of the belly of the beast. And it so happens that this chart pattern here, the double bottom, is the target and of the falling wedge as well too, takes us to that top of the belly of the beast as well too. So we're going to mark that right here and then here, and then we have our level right there, which is good. And then we're going to mark the 1618 extension of this fib as well too right here, and that happens to be an important point. Looking to the left, That was our fall off point in April of 2022, right before Luna. So that was like our fall off level. So that would be definitely a level of importance. Then we're going to label a 2618 extension because it so happens to coincide with our previous all-time high, as well as the top of the hot zone. You know, we're looking for this confluence. Then we're going to label our super mega moon targets, the 3618 extension and the 4236 extension for Gala. So now I'm gonna hide the fib forecaster. We don't need those levels right now, and I'm gonna delete this. And now we can get kind of a time frame, because with this trend line coming up and this convergence coming down, you know, by the first week of January, Gala needs to make a move. If it's holding along this trend line, kind of waddling up, and then we get to this close to the pinnacle here, it's got to make a move. And so we know pretty soon here it could be going up in a big way, and especially with that volume pouring in. So from current levels, I would say this could be I would say a little mini moon, because from current levels to just at the top of the belly of the beast, it's around 300%, so a 4x. If we can break through there, I think we're going to go pretty fast up to that 1618 extension. So from current levels, let's just say anywhere from 4x to around 6x your money is a mini moon. But our mini, I would say, moon is getting to the bottom, I would say, the hot zone. Then I'm going to take the high back here to the low that we set, because that so happens to coincide with the 786 right here, because this is going to be coming down. So also, too, we got confluence because this 1618 extension of the macro fib is in line with the 4236 extension of the other fib I had up. You can see here, if I throw the fib back on, see how that 4236 is lining up with the 1618. So very likely that can be our super moon level, and that's massive gains given where Gala is currently at. So let me hide this again. So to recap, must hold level, point in the short term for immediate upside, 0.025. I think if we can continue with momentum right now, in the month of December, we can come up here to 0.044. And then if we can have good momentum through that and we poke our head through and we have a lot of kind of buying pressure, that's going to take us up immediately a double to around 0.09 to 0.11, this key zone. Then if we're very strong, we could even see a little more of a melt up and get to like a 4x at that point. But our mini moon from our current levels is to this 786, which is around a 10x from current levels. That's our mini moon. That's a price point of 34 cents for Gala. Then if we take our current level and we bring it to our medium moon, which would be this 84 cent level, because that's the top of our hot zone and our previous all-time high over here, that's around a 27 times. Our medium moon is at 27 times. Then for our mega moon, we're going to take from current level and go all the way up here to the 3618 extension. We're talking 14,900%, 149 times your money for the mega moon. The super moon, which has a lot of confluence with that 1618 extension from the macro fib and that medium fib from the fib forecaster, our super moon takes us to 376 times our money. That's $11 for Gala. Looking at the market cap, it's not even over $1 billion yet. If Gala becomes the blue chip gaming Web3 studios, I mean, definitely in the cards for Gala. Personally, I think, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. You let me know in the comments. Do you think Gala, that's realistic to get to those super moon levels, 387x higher? Or do you think that's pie in the sky? You let me know in the comments. Do you hold any Gala? Let me know. Send this to every Gala holder you know, because I'm sure they're going to be very excited if that potential price point gets hit. Maybe not in 2024, maybe it's later down the line, but I definitely think it's reasonable to say that mini moon target of 10x from here is going to get hit in this bull run, and even the medium moon target of 84 cents getting hit. I could see maybe the regular major moon, mega moon, $4.40 being hit, given the market cap where it's supposed to balloon to of all of crypto, 7 to 10 trillion maybe. But I wouldn't say, I mean, it could hit that super mega moon. Personally, I want to go conservative and say, yeah, we could see that mega moon happen in 2024, but I could see it down the line if Gala has the staying power for that super mega moon. You let me know in the comments. And if you want to watch all the other 2024 price prediction videos we've already done, I'll put the link in the bio for that playlist. We have a ton of them here. And join the Discord, link is in the bio. Come say what up. Rob at Stargate. If you have any questions, friend request me, send me a message. on if you want to get access to all this software, all these indicators, so you're kitted and suited up and you're equipped with the tools that you need to execute flawlessly on this upcoming bull market in 2024. I mean, it's happening right now. Do you feel ready? You know, did you miss big time? Did you miss these coins? You know, these are the tools that's going to set you up to maximize your bull run experience. So friend request me, Rob at Stargate, in the Discord, or go to stargate-ventures.com, put in the contact form, and ask about our 70% off December sale. We'll get you all these tools that you need. You'll get this exact same chart template. I'll show you how to set up these alerts to send to your phone, or you can get them situated with the automatic trading bots. So you let me know. I'll see you guys in the Discord, and in the next video, we're going to cover XCN. I'll see you guys in that video.